Hello friends, welcome. So if you're holding crypto on Revolut and want to move your tokens over to Balance for trading or staking, transferring them on-chain takes just a couple of minutes. So first I need to show you how to grab your unique deposit wallet address and network details from Binance. So you open up the Binance app on your phone and tap on Deposit on the home screen, or you can also head to the Wallet tab and hit Deposit. Then select Deposit Crypto and search for and choose the exact coin you want to transfer, like Bitcoin, Solana, and others. Choose your deposit network carefully, such as Bitcoin network for BTC or Solana for Sol. Then you tap the copy icon next to your deposit address to save it to your clipboard. And then you open up your Revolut next and execute the crypto withdrawal. You open up Revolut, navigate to crypto on the bottom menu, and then tap Send. Select the cryptocurrency you're sending so it matches your Binance coin selection exactly. Tap Add Wallet Address, then select My Wallet, and paste your copied Binance deposit address into the search box. Now complete the quick security check and then enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Review the estimated network fee and total amount and tap Send. And after that you're done. Also just make sure that the network you select in Binance matches the blockchain supported by Revolut for that specific token. Enjoy and subscribe as well.